Hi everyone, this is another little video over here that I'm going to just show you on how to do a PVA bag, and if you need to stick a PVA bag quickly without an iron. As you can see over here, I've got a normal heat gun. I've removed the front end of the heat gun and I've just covered it with some Teflon, and I've put some metal ties on there. Okay, so let's just quickly show you. Yeah, I've got a little cup with the PVA cut up and melted, and a little piece of Perlon just wrapped around a ice cream stick or tongue depressor, and I'm going to just show you on how to do this quickly. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lift up our heat gun, and we're going to start heating that up. Okay, and as you can see, it's getting nice and hot. I'm going to just dip this into my gummy berry juice over here, and then we're going to put this down first quickly. I'm just going to put a first layer, and then we're going to take our heat gun and we're going to then paste it down nicely with the heat gun. Okay, so yeah, you're going to get a nice adherence. You don't need to use an iron, you can just use your heat gun to do this very, very simply.